So like I said, our height for this one, 91 divided by 14, 6.5, okay? Now, moving on to number 14, it says we have an area of 160.5 and a height. We're looking for the base. It is a parallelogram. So area equals base times height. So what we're going to do is 160.5 equals, what's our height? 7.5. What's our base? Don't know. So 7.5 times our base. All right. We can divide that by 7.5. Cancel out. Divide by 7.5. Get our base to equal 21.4. 21.4. All right. So moving on down. A trapezoid. Trapezoid with a base measures 23 kilometers and 29 kilometers, has an area of 390. Find the height of the trapezoid. So our area formula for a trapezoid is 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2. So what we're going to do is area equals, and our area tells us here is 390. So we're going to do 390 equals 1/2. And we're trying to find our height, so we leave it in there, and then we have 23 plus 29. Okay? So simplifying the right side of the equation, that is going to give us 1/2 height times 52. That equals 390. Guys, what did I say before? If we multiply by 1/2, we're also dividing by 2. So we're just going to take this 52 and divide that by 2 because we're multiplying it all over here. We can multiply by in any order. So we're going to multiply these two together. All right. So 1/2 times 52. And so that gives us an answer. I'm going to switch colors here so you guys don't lose me. All right. We're going to say 390 equals 26 times our height. Okay, and all we got to do is divide by 26. That's a pretty simple equation to solve, and our height is going to be 15 kilometers. All right, and then number 16 says find the length of the second base of a trapezoid with one base measuring 12 feet, a height of 4 feet, and an area of 58 square feet. So using this formula again for number 16. So what does it tell us? It tells us an area of 58. So 58 equals, and then we have 1/2 times our height. So it tells us a height of 4 feet. So 1/2 times 4. And then we multiply by base 1 plus base 2. However, we don't know. We're trying to find the length of the second base, where it tells us our first base is 12 plus our other base, base 2. We don't know what it is, so we leave it as a variable. So for this one, what we have to do is we can do 4 times 1/2, or 4 divided by 2. That just gives us 2. 2 times 12 plus base 2 equals 58. When we do that, guys, there's a couple things that we can do here. For me, I would just say, let's get rid of this 2 and divide by 2 on this side and divide by 2 on this side, okay? When we do that, I'm going to switch colors here just so you guys can follow along with me. When we do that, we get 58 divided by 2 is going to give us 29. So we get 29 equals to 12 plus our base 2, okay? All we have to do, we're adding here, so we're going to do the opposite of addition, and we're going to subtract. So 29 minus 12, and that gives us our base 2 is going to be 17. And again, we got that from 29 minus 12. So if we look at the next one, it tells us to find the diameter of a circle with an area of this. So area equals pi r squared for a circle. So we're going to plug in our area, which is 380.13 equals pi times our radius squared. All right. Now we notice that it doesn't have a diameter, so once we find our answer, our radius, we're going to have to multiply that by 2 to get our diameter. So for this, and we've done these before, we struggled a little bit, so hopefully we are paying attention right now. Understand we're going to divide by pi first to get r by itself. Once we do 380